Phoebus, Hopping, Hitmonchan, Fletchender. Whoa!
Welcome back, Poke fans. My name is Jonathan and this is Platero Hobby. So today we are doing another pack battle. It's not really a battle, more of a 4 packs versus 4 packs. Whoever gets the best cards gets a Kleavor box. Kind of like the last video where we had the quote-unquote pack battle. The kids had already done the rock, paper, scissors. They determined the prize, which was the Kleavor box. But the other contestants did get a prize too, so.
That's pretty smart.
That's not how I do it.
The code is 4. These.
Alright, let's see what you get.
Ooh, Wobbuffet. Zero.
Ooh, an Ampharos.
Ooh, that's pretty good. Digging gloves. You get to keep those. Shogun. And then this.
And yeah, I like to.
That's just useless.
Give those away. Alright, so your turn.
Oh, wait, you only open one pack?
No, one at a time.
Take this out.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna keep it. I already have one of those cards. I'm keeping trash.
There you
Energy,
go.
Dream Ball,
Okay, I'm safe.
Stormy Mountains, Boulder, Persian, Canova, Hemlock, Slaptuck, Glassflower, Devil, Galarian Zapdos.
Oh,
That's
wait,
pretty
a
good.
Galarian Zapdos. Look at that. Zapdos?
Yeah, Zapdos.
Not Zapdos. Dad, can I see your card?
I'm thinking computers, the DOS system. Alright, Isaac, your turn. Let's see what you get.
Please don't get a VMAX or something like that.
Imagine I do. I'd be so happy.
Let's see the concentration on his face as he tries to open this pack.
I'm so bad. I can do it. I'm a failure. I can do it.
What's up with
suck
that
at it.
aperture there?
I can do it. Okay, that's like.
Oh, Caleb with the assist?
What? It's not my fault.
See, I have this thing, if you don't let someone do it on their own, they'll never learn how to do it.
I don't know how to open. Let me see. I want to do this quick. Wait, what? No, don't. No, let me see. Let me see.
No, you're not doing it right.
I'm keeping this one. Why are you keeping those two? Because I like them. They're just useless. 3, 4. No.
There.
Oh! But this one's I accidentally.
No.
I'm sorry. A mental badge. Shogun, another one. Subat, Aurora, Tentacle. Can't wait what he gets. Dino, Marie. Oh! Can I see? Garbodor VMAX!
What is it? What is it?
Garbodor, whatever it's
Oh,
Garbodor.
mine's still stronger.
Yo, this is sick. I can't believe I got like 3 of those are from. Yo, what the
Alright,
heck?
your turn, Sal. Let's see what you get.
Right after we single strike scroll of the thing. Yo, I'm so my brother's gonna be crazy.
Hey, and these are yours. I don't want to take them home with me.
And strike it. You get to take your prize.
Scroll of the Dragon Fly.
Did you know you get to take the one that's so good? I want to take this.
Smeagol.
Guys, I really want. Don't show the prize.
Okay, Isaac, it's your turn again. Did you open a new pack?
Yeah, open it for him.
Okay.
Let me. Never mind. Can I have these? Whoever does the 4 trick first. Yo, I'm so happy. I'm done. I'm done with 4 trick.
Imagine if I actually like somehow get a better card.
Fletchender, Lantern, Spirit Mask, which is weird. Tentacle.
How? Why are you holding it like that?
Dino.
Marie. Wobbuffet, another one. What the heck? And then Patili. And then
That's so bad.
Was that wishy-washy?
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Okay.
Wishy-washy. down bad. There you go. I'll put these in the back.
How many more you got left? 2 more? All right.
The other one. Where do you guys want to put the packs?
1, 2, 3.
Look at this, a pro, seasoned pro.
School of the Flying Dragon, Crystal, Switching Cups, Hitmonchan, Lotad,
Oh, I have that one.
Salabi, Tessa, Rain.
Ooh.
Raichu. Oh!
A Galarian.
An Articuno.
What the? Excuse me, lucky, bro.
I'm gonna have to buy that card from you.
He's a lucky bunny.
Not really, you can keep it. Alright, Isaac, let's see.
Here you go.
Have you mastered the art of opening Pokemon booster packs?
Oh. Yeah.
Stop. Slackhawk. Oh, that actually. Slackhawk. Pet Lily, whatever.
That Pikachu.
Oh,
That's a rare one.
That's a pretty good one.
That's
Pumpa
a good
Capu.
Stormy Mountains, huh?
Wishy-washy again. Come on. Gordy. Oh, Bravery.
No, wishy-washy.
Nuzzly. Nuzzly sucks, bro.
Here you go. Okay.
Alright, that's your last pack, so hold on. Okay, I'll just hold on to that.
I know how to just hold on to it.
There you go, got it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Lantern. Also,
I have this
Crystal,
one, but this is in Pokemon Sword.
Phoebus, Hopping, Hitmonchan, Fletchender. Oh! Boost Shake. Why are you getting on the camera?
Wait, what's that? Oh, what did he pull? Oh, Boost Shake? What the?
A gold boost shake.
Yo!
A gold card.
Yo!
How you feeling? Look at it. What do you think?
I think I might have won.
You're probably gonna win. Bro, the Boost Shake is gonna win. Bunny. I think Isaac's gonna
But look
win.
at this one, Carl.
Oh, it's Blackpool. Yeah, I never got a card.
All right.
I've only people gave me cards, but that was just like.
Here's the last pack.
That's it. It's my best one.
Little homie here just cut to the last pack or the last card. It's funny. No mysterious in his boy. No mystery.
I just like it. Altaria.
So out of Isaac's pack, he got an Altaria, 2 Wishy-Washies, and a Garbodor VMAX.
That's a.
And Saul got an Articuno, Zapdos, Boost Shake, a Raichu, Smeagol, and a Thievul. So I think we have a clear winner here. Got the prize. Looks like you got another Kleavor pack.
Yay! Shout out to my friends Sam and Fluffy. My chicken Fluffy.
Oh,
He's in
yeah,
heaven
a
now.
chicken. Oh.
Man,
Please have a rooster too.
That.
Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for taking the time to stop by, like and comment, subscribe to this channel. As always, it's always a joy to see these kids light up as they open these Pokemon packs and discover the treasures that lie within. If you share it with your friends and family, it will help us grow. We're looking for 200 subs so we can do another giveaway. Once again, my name is Jonathan. It's Platero Hobby. We'll see you in the next one.